Hello everyone and welcome to a new video tutorial. In this video we will be discussing about MOBIKUL Opencart Marketplace, that is Opencart Marketplace mobile app builder, and we will see how it can convert your Opencart Marketplace into an iOS app. So let's get started with the video and see all the features of this. So when your customers first launches the app, they'll be able to see this home page. And the admin can add various banners here, and then they can associate any product or product category with those banners. So when a customer clicks on any banner, they'll be able to see those products or those product categories. So as right now we have been redirected to a product page for iPhone. And on the product page you can see that various images are provided for the product. And then there are next and previous options for viewing the next and previous product, as you can see here. After that there is the availability, that the product is in stock, then the brand, and then the price. And after there is option for write a review and add to wishlist. So in write a review the customer can give review for the product, and in add to wishlist the customer can add the product to their wishlist. But for adding the product to the wishlist they have to be logged in into the app. After that they can see that there is related product, so the seller or admin can show related products with their product. Then there is description, features and reviews. So the customer can review like this. They can provide the rating and they can write their name and the summary. And on the home page only the customer can see various products and various categories such as featured products, latest products, and after that there is option for browse by brands. In here the customer can see various brands which are selling their products on the marketplace. So the customer can click on any brand and then they'll be able to see all the product under those brands, and the customer can choose to view them in the list or grid form. So you can see here the products are shown in the grid form and now they are in the list form. The customer can also filter the products and they can sort them according to price, size and ratings, and they can also add them to their wish list by clicking on the small heart option, and they can also add it to their cart by clicking on the cart option. So this was all on the home page. Now let's just quickly log in into the app. So on the login page the customer can see that they can either log in using their email ID and password, or they can create a new account if they haven't by going to create account, or they can also use their social media such as Facebook and Google for signing into the app. So for right now we are using our demo account, and after logging into the app the customer will be able to see my account page where they can edit their account information and they can change or edit their information like this. They can change their name, email ID, phone number, and then there is option for change your password. In here they can change their password. Then there is option for modify your address book entries. So in here the customer can add various addresses according to their requirements, and they can also delete any address from here, and they can edit any previously added addresses. So like this they can add new address here. So from here the customer can edit or delete their addresses. They can even add a new address by clicking on add new address. And after that there is option for modify your wish list. In here the customer can add various products and they can also delete them from their wish list by just simply clicking on this cross button, and then that product will be deleted from their wish list. After that there is option for my orders. In my orders the customer can view their order history. They can see all the orders that they have placed. They can also see the order information by clicking on order info. After there is option for my downloadable products. In here the customer can see all the downloadable products that they have purchased. So these are the products that they have purchased which are downloadable, so they can download them from here. Then there is reward points. Then your return request. If the customer have made any order return request, then they will be able to track them from here. And then your transactions. After there is option for newsletter subscription. So the customer can choose to subscribe or unsubscribe to the newsletters from here. And after they will be able to see your newsletter subscription has been successfully updated. So this was all for my accounts page. Now coming back here, as you can see, we were in my accounts, and after there is option for address book, which I have already shown you. Then there is my orders, then my wish list, then newsletter subscription, then my downloadable products. Then there is the option for sell. In here the customer will be able to see the marketplace page, and here all the sellers and their products will be shown who are selling their products on the marketplace. So from here the customer can see all of them, and they can also choose to view any seller information by clicking on seller ID, and then they will be able to see the seller profile page. They will be able to see their ratings. They can see their contact details, and they can see their collections also. They can review the seller, and so they can write a review for the seller by giving ratings and their thoughts. And after that there is location. So the customer can also see the seller location on the Google map, and they can zoom in or zoom out of the map for checking the location. So this was all for the seller's page, and the customer can see all the products also like this. So after there is option for seller dashboard and seller orders. So these are the options which are only visible to the customers who are also the sellers of the marketplace. So if a customer is also the seller of the marketplace, they will be able to see these options. So in seller dashboard, the seller can see all these information such as their total orders, total buyers, and their map. And in here they can see their customers and orders made, and after that they can see the latest orders, and they can also check the order information, and they can notify customer or admin, and they can write any comment here. After there is seller's orders. In seller order they can see all the orders that have been placed against their orders. And they can also filter their orders. And from here the customer can choose to view the marketplace in various languages or in various currencies. So right now the currency is dollars. If the customer is not familiar with it, they can change it according to their requirements. So right now we have changed the currency to euros, and as you can see all the product prices are shown in euros. So admin can provide various currencies here, and the customer can choose them according to their requirement. After there is option for language, the customer can also choose various languages, and then that store will then be refreshed and shown in that language. As you can see here, we have changed the language to Greek and all the information is now shown in Greek, and the customer can also choose from various languages if the admin has provided them. So now let's just go to a product page and try purchasing a product. So as I have shown you all the information on the product page, now let's just straight go to purchasing a product. So we have added the product in a cart, and as you can see at the very bottom of the page, there are these few options. We will discuss them. So currently we are on the cart option. So in here the customer can update the quantity if they want. They can apply various coupon codes or voucher codes if they have any, and after that they can proceed to checkout. Then they have to choose the address. They can choose a new address and they have to enter in their new address here, or they can choose any previously added addresses. Then they have to choose their delivery address. Then they have to choose their delivery method and payment method. Then they have to confirm their order. And as you can see, the order has been successfully placed. So the customer can then review that order by going to my orders from here. And as you can see, the order is placed, and as we have changed the currency to euros, you can see the prices are shown in euros for this order, and you can see all the information here. So now coming to the bottom options. So the first option is for home button. The next option is for search. So the customer can enter in any keyword here, and then they can search the marketplace for the product containing that keyword, and all the product will then be shown here. Then there is sell, which is the marketplace page, which the customer can also access from here. After there is option for notifications. In here the customer will be able to see all the notifications that have been made for the app, and after that there is option for cart. So these are all the options which are present at the very bottom of the page. So this was all for the MOBIKUL Opencart marketplace. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.